Welcome to part 4 of creating a Christmas card application using Python's Tkinter. In the last lesson, we added a canvas object to our window and edited the background colour to be Christmas green and the border around it to be Christmas red. In this video, what we're going to do is swap out the background colour and replace it with an external graphic. So let's get started. Now, as normal, to keep our version control under control, what we're going to do is immediately save our version 3 as version 4. So go ahead and do that. File, save as, and you just need to change the 3 for a 4. Make sure it says 4 and then go ahead and change your comments to version 4. And this version it's not going to add a canvas, it's going to add an external GIF graphic to the canvas. Right, now our version 1 code stays the same, our version 2 code stays the same, and our version 3 code, which says new code for version 3, we just need to change that to say version 3 code. So version 3 code. Scroll down past it, past the canvas.pack, hit enter a couple of times, and this will be our version 4 code area. So put a comment in, and this will be new code for version 4. And what is the new code going to be? Let's put a comment in, a single line comment to say what that is. And the new code for version 4 is to draw an external graphic as the background of the canvas object. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. Now it's a two-step process. The first step is to actually create an image object using the photo image method, and the second step is to use the canvas method create image and pass in the photo image object as the image. So let's do that. First of all, we need a variable to store our photo image. So we'll call it canvas underscore background image. Catchy name there. And we're going to assign it this photo image object. So it's photo image, and we're calling it into action. We're creating it, so we need our brackets. And what we're going to pass in is the actual relative file path to the image. So we'll say file, and where is this file? We're going to put the path into these speech marks. So let's go and have a look at the file, and then you'll understand where it's to go. So in our folder, this is the file here that we're working on, Christmas card version 4. And within the same folder, you'll see there's an images folder. And inside that images folder, we've got this file here called canvas underscore bg underscore scene. And you can see that it's a GIF, a graphic interchange format. And it also says it there in the type, the file type. And that is the type of file type that is required for a photo image object. So in here, we start, because it's a relative file path, we need to put the full path relative to where the this Python file is. So it's in images / canvas underscore bg underscore scene dot gif. So that's us achieved step 1. We have created a photo image object. We've given it the path of the file, and we've assigned it to a variable. And we're going to use this variable in step 2, where we instruct the canvas object to actually draw the image. Now, if you look up at line 29 there, you'll see that we created a canvas object and we assigned it to a variable called canvas. So we'll say canvas.create underscore image. That is the method. And inside here we've got 3 parameters to pass in. The first one is the coordinates of where you want the top left of your image to be positioned. We want it to be at the very top left of the window. So that is, as you remember, X position 0, Y position 0. The next parameter that we need to pass in is the anchor. So we say anchor, and we want it to be anchored to the northwest. That's just the layout. Okay, so the northwest controls the layout of the image. And the last parameter is the actual image. And the image is what we're passing in here is the variable canvas background image. Because that's our variable on line 40, which stores our photo object. And that's it. So let's save it, Control S, and run it F5 or press the run command. And if all's went well, you should have a wonderful image drawn onto your canvas, and that's acting as the background for your Christmas card. Excellent. In the next video, what we're going to do is program the drawing of vector graphics onto the canvas to represent the tree, some presents, the star, anything we want. Good.